How to use PictureThis. How to identify plants. To identify a plant, simply take a picture of the plant or select a plant picture from your photos, and PictureThis will identify it instantly. A clear shot of plants with proper angle and distance will help PictureThis identify plants more accurately. How to diagnose sick plants. Just take a photo of the sick plant with the leaves or flowers inside the frame. PictureThis uses artificial intelligence to diagnose your sick plant. Uses the photos taken to better determine the symptoms and provide you with treatments and solutions. How to grow my plants. Find rich professional gardening guides on PictureThis app. Let the experts guide you through all gardening tasks, such as watering, fertilizing, trimming plant diseases. How to identify weeds. Which plants are regarded as weeds? How should I deal with them? Use PictureThis to scan and learn more about it. Join our in-app community along with 400 million users worldwide. Get quick advice for your ID questions and like, comment, and share people's discoveries. Tap Explore to discover what people are growing near you and how far they are.